Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the NAS drive is not visible on the network on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first thing is to turn on the physical switch on your NAS device, because unlike normal external SSDs, NAS devices come with a physical switch and you have to turn them on. Some even need a power cord to sustain them. Okay, so sort this out first. Now coming to the computer, you will have to turn on network discovery. So right click on the start button and select settings. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane select advanced network settings. Now in the advanced network settings, you can select this option here which says advanced sharing settings. See, ideally by default network discovery is on for private networks and off for public networks, but since you are using it on your home computer, if you're using it on the official computer, then I will suggest shifting to the private network. But if you are using it on the home network, you would be using the public network. Network discovery is usually off, so you can turn it on. Okay, so this is how you can access it. The next solution will be to install security updates, which is basically just installing the updates in general. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. And lastly, you can uninstall any third-party antivirus on your system. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then you will have to search for a third-party antivirus. Click on these three dots associated with it and select uninstall. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.